Website is your digital showroom. Be it a small business, medium business, or a large enterprise, everyone needs a website. Website is not just limited to e-commerce. Even manufacturers or service providers must have a detailed, informative website with the right call to action. Monkey Ads is affiliated with highly skilled and experienced website developers who can build websites on Wix, WordPress, Shopify, or similar such leading website development CMS platforms. Using the right mix of textual content, photos, videos, static and motion graphics, a website can be built and then further generate credibility and business opportunities for your brand. A website can be either e-commerce or a non-e-commerce. E-commerce websites are such websites where a person can come and explore the products or services via photos and videos, learn more about it, and make a purchase transaction, pay for the product or service, and get the delivery. Whereas a non-e-commerce website will be more of displaying the information about the business, used with the help of photos, videos, motion graphics, static graphics, and generate business opportunities with the help of call to action. That's all about website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram.